Inhale, lift your arms apart over your wrist and right leg back, right knee. Everyone, welcome to the practice. Today we are going to do a morning flow. So be gentle with yourself and let's start. Come in a sitting position, Vajrasana. Bend both the knees and sit there. If you are not able to sit, you can tuck your toes and also sit there. Keep your eyes closed and feel your breath for a while. Bring your focus on the inhale and exhale. And slowly open your eyes. Open the knees wider. We'll go into a child's pose. Tuck the feet flat. Keep the palms to the front and go into a child's pose. Press your palm and come into all fours. Make sure to adjust your palm. Shoulder and wrist in one line, hip and knee in one line. From here we are going to make circles. 1 over your wrist and your hip. 2. Feel the good circling around your wrist. 3. 4 and 5. Let's go other side. 1. Keep pressing your fingers. 2. A little warm up is required though for your wrist. 3. 4 and last 5. Okay, come to the center. We are going to do 3 rounds of cat and cow. So inhale and arch your back. Keep looking front or up. Exhale, round your back. Tuck the chin to the chest. 2. Inhale and arch. Exhale and round. And last, inhale and arch. Exhale and round. Come to the center. Tuck your toes at the back and lift your knees up and come into a downward dog position. If you are not able to touch your heels down, it's okay. Let's walk the heels over here up and down. 1, 2, try to push your hips up. 3, 4 and 5. Very slowly press your palm and walk to the front. Keep walking to the front as much as possible and fold your hands over here. Let your spine be completely decompressed over here. Let it flow down. Slowly round your back, tuck the chin to the chest and come up. Inhale and round your shoulders and let your spine be straight. Okay, from here we are going to do 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Be gentle with yourself and let your body know what you are doing. Okay, come to the front of the mat. Slight gap between both the feet. Roll back your shoulders. Keep your core intact. Inhale and reach up your arms. Arch back. Push the hips slightly forward. Bring the arms back. Exhale and push the hip back. Try to go down. Bend your knees slightly to touch the hands on the floor. Inhale and bring the right leg back, right knee down. Keep looking front. Press the palm and bring the other leg back into plank. Knees down, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale and arch your back, only come till your navel. Exhale and go into a downward dog by lifting the knees up to the sky and hip to the sky. Inhale and bring the right leg front, left knee down. Keep looking front. Exhale and bring the other leg front. Inhale, lift your arms up and arch back. Exhale, Namaskar. We are going to repeat this on the left side as well. So inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale and bring the left leg back, left knee down. Keep looking front. Exhale and bring your leg back into plank. Hold here. Press your palm. Protract your shoulders by pushing the shoulders up. Knees down. Chest and chin on the ground. Inhale and arch your back. Only come till your navel. Don't go full. Tuck your toes, knees up and come into a downward dog. Stay here. Inhale and bring the left leg front with full force. Right knee down, keep looking front. Exhale and bring the other leg front. Inhale, lift your arms up and arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. We are going to repeat this for 4 more times, slightly faster this time. Okay, let's go. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Right leg back. Keep looking front. Left leg back into plank. Knees down, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale and arch back only till your navel. Exhale and go into downward dog. Inhale and right leg front, left knee down. Exhale and bring the other leg front. Inhale and lift your arms up and arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. On the left side. Inhale and arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale and left leg back. Left knee down. Exhale to bring the right leg back into plank. Knees down, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale and arch back. Exhale to go into downward dog. Inhale to bring the left leg front. Right knee down. Exhale and bring the other leg front. Inhale, lift your arms up. Arch back. Exhale, Namaskar. Round 3. Flow with your breath this time. Try to work on your breath. Inhale, lift your arms up and arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale and bring the right leg back. Keep looking front. Exhale and go into a plank. Knees down, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale and arch back. Keep looking front. Exhale and go into downward dog. Inhale and bring the right leg front. Left knee down. Exhale and bring the other leg front. Inhale and arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. On the left side. Inhale and arch back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, left leg back. Left knee down. Exhale and other leg back into plank. Knees down, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale and arch back. Exhale and go into downward dog. Inhale and bring the right leg front. Left knee down. Exhale and bring the other leg front. Inhale and arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. On the left side. Inhale and arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale and left leg back. Left knee down. Keep looking front. Exhale and bring the other leg back. Knees down. Chest and chin on the ground. Inhale, arch. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale and bring the left leg front. Right knee down. Keep looking front. Exhale. Bring the other leg front. Inhale. Lift the arms up. Exhale, Namaskara. Last round. We'll go slightly slow, but feel your breath and the movement of your legs and your chest. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, fold forward. Try to go deep in this time. Press your palm. Try to touch your forehead on the knee. Inhale, right leg back. Keep looking front. Focus on the breath. Feel the stretch in your leg. Tuck the toe and go into a plank. By mistake, I put my leg on the ant. Stay there. I will let it go. Knees down. Chest and chin on the ground. Inhale and arch back. Only come till your navel. Feel the slight, stretch in your lower back. Exhale and go into a downward dog. Okay, I can't find the ant now. Okay, there. No worries now. Inhale and bring the right leg front, left knee down, keep looking front. Feel the stretch in your hip and your thighs. Even though your leg is at the back, no worries. You can bring it slightly forward and stay here. Exhale and bring the other leg front. Try to touch your forehead. Inhale, lift your arms up and arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. Last one on the left side, give your best. Inhale and arch your back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale and left leg back. Left knee down, keep looking front. Press your palm and bring the other leg back into plank. Stay here for a while. Push your chest up. I can see so many birds around me and it feels so great. Stay there. Keep pressing. I know it is tough, right? But we have to stay. Very slowly bring the knees down, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale and arch your back. Feet flat, keep looking front. Exhale and go into a downward dog. Hold here for a while. Exhale more as much as you can. Push your palm to the ground as if you are throwing your hips to the sky. Very slowly bring your left leg front with an inhale. Keep looking front. Stay here. Exhale and bring the other leg front. Inhale and lift your arms up. Arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. I hope you are feeling good now. For a while, just close your eyes. Open your palms by the sides and feel your breath. No need to do anything. Just feel the energy generated inside of your body and outside of your body. Feel all the good voices around you. I can hear sparrows and crows and someone cleaning the garden at the back. It feels so good to be aware of all those things in our life. Very slowly with a smile, lift your eyes up. Hi. For today, I will leave you over here only. I'll not stretch more because I want you to understand the feeling of doing 10 Surya Namaskaras and how it feels on the body, how it feels on the breath. Take a notice of that. If you get some time during the day, sit with yourself for 5 minutes and just observe your breath. And thank you for joining me today.